What's up, everybody? We got some exciting news for you today. We are moving, but don't worry, we're not going far. We're literally just going across the street. We got a 63 Nova back here that we're finishing up. We got a Scout that we're wrapping up, and we're looking a little light. So we've been tapering down, we've been a little light, we've been working on a lot of smaller projects, just trying to get caught up, trying to get some stuff moved out. Haven't been really committed to anything large, but we are booking our large projects for June. So get in line and get your build scheduled. So we got a lot of things coming up on the pipeline. We do have Drew's Z32 coming back from wiring, got a nice race car spec wiring done on that. We got Phil's FD, if you remember that car, big 3-rotor, badass race car. Just got the interior paint done and engine bay. So stay tuned for that stuff. Those are all projects that we're gonna be wrapping up. We do have a couple options for you guys. We did just pick up a 65 F100, so if you're interested in doing something like that, patina style build, we could paint it too if you want. We don't do that in-house, but we do have a lot of good shops locally that can handle that. Anything from wild to mild. I mean, we can go as crazy as doing a Coyote with the chassis, or we can keep it traditional. We can do something simple for you. But it's a really nice donor truck, so I think it'd be good for a project. We also wrapped up all our development on our Super Duty chassis. We have a 17 and up chassis that we've been finalizing a lot of our product development on. That's all done, so it's a great opportunity to build something similar to Jolene. It's a 17 to 22 chassis that we can put a crew cab on. So diesel conversion crew cab, potentially our air ride, something wild, something just like Jolene. So I mean, honestly, if you want something like Taylor, 63 F100 twin turbo Coyote, bodied, put that sucker on a chassis, or something like Jolene, crew cab, diesel conversion, 4-wheel drive, all Super Duty modern components, modern suspension, technology, all that awesome stuff. Give us a shout. We are ready for booking for June, wrapping up a few things here and moving not far, just across the street. So anyway, looking forward to showing you guys the new shop while we get it set up. Feel free to reach out for any questions that you might have, and let's get your build scheduled today. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Thanks.